Hi everybody, my name is Jelena Berkovic and I'm one of the fortunate Croatians who had a chance to study in London thanks to the Achieving Scholarship. It allowed me to study global politics in an interdisciplinary background. I was able to meet a very different and inspiring group of students and teachers and learn a lot about what I don't know, and something that helped me to understand the world better today. So now that I'm working in GONG, which is a non-profit sort of think, do, tank, dealing with quality of democracy and good governance, I am very fortunate, thanks to the Achieving Scholarship, to have a feeling that I understand global politics better, or at least that I have more precise understanding of global tendencies in economy, or for example regarding the current refugee crisis, or even more important in this turbulent region, understanding how to deal with religious and ethnic conflicts and how to try to organize political systems so that they can end up in peace. What I often say today, what London School of Economics and Achieving Scholarship gave to me is understanding that it's not only Northern Ireland that can have a peaceful development regarding the Good Friday Agreement, but it is also the countries here in the region that can strive for the same thing.